For Thursday, the 7th of December 23, here's the latest from Force 13 AU. We have in place a gale warning, a strong wind warning, and the Bureau of Meteorology has just issued top priority severe weather warning for damaging winds. Bureau of Meteorology has in place the warning for the Eastern Air Peninsula, the Flinders, Mid-North, the Riverland, the Murraylands, parts of the Mount Lofty Ranges, York Peninsula, Northwest Pastoral and the Northeast Pastoral districts. The headline is damaging winds developing across parts of South Australia on Friday. Damaging winds from the northwest averaging 60 to 70 kilometres an hour with peak gusts of 90 to 100 kilometres an hour are forecast to develop through the warning area from late Friday morning. Severe thunderstorms developing in the warning area during the afternoon are likely to bring damaging wind gusts. Conditions should ease from the south during the afternoon evening as the cool changes advances northwards through south to southwesterly, low south to southwesterly winds immediately behind the change will make it very strong and gusty. The warning area: Whyalla, Redmark, Port Pirie, Clare, Roxby Downs and Lee Creek. That is a severe weather warning for damaging winds. And for the Spencer Gulf, there's a gale wind warning. The Adelaide metropolitan waters, the upper west, south central coast, the Gulf of St Vincent, Investigator Strait, the upper southeast, lower southeast coast under a strong wind warning. Bureau of Meteorology has also issued a similar warning for Victoria Central, North Central, North East, the West, the South Gippsland, the Northern Country forecast districts, damaging winds, and the risk develops across elevated terrain from Friday morning. The warning area is Seymour, Kennington, Daylesford, Mount Baw, Mount Buller. Damaging wind gusts with peak gusts of around 100 kilometres an hour likely over the central and eastern ranges during Friday morning, extending to ranges in the northeast region during the afternoon. So damaging wind gusts with peak gusts of around 100 kilometres an hour, likely over the central, the eastern ranges Friday morning. Vigorous northwesterly flow ahead of a strong cold front will move across Victoria during Friday. There's also for Friday, the Port Phillip Bay, the central coast, East Gippsland coast will be under a strong wind warning. Minor flood warnings remain in place for the Thompson and Latrobe rivers. And for Tasmania, strong wind warning the southeast, southwest coast. Similar warning for Friday. New South Wales is currently in the clear other than the ongoing heatwave warning, the same for the ACT. And here in Queensland, other than tropical cyclone Jasper, there's a ongoing heatwave warning. Minor flood warnings for both the Paru and the Barcoo rivers. A heatwave warning continues for the Northern Territories, Gregory, Simpson, Lassiter and Tanami districts. At the time of doing this video update, temperatures 24.1 Sydney, 20.1 in Melbourne, 30.1 in Brisbane, 21.3 Perth, 27.2 in Adelaide, 23.4 Hobart, 29.1 Canberra, and a hot one in Darwin, 31.8. Possible shower or two along with a storm for Darwin. Possible shower for Canberra, partly cloudy Hobart, cloudy Adelaide, becoming more windier Perth. Sunny Brisbane, partly cloudy for both Melbourne and Sydney. No rainfall recorded in any of the capital cities. And just recapping, we have a very complex weather system impacting Australia called the Omega Block. And whilst Tropical Cyclone Jasper has everyone's attention, we're also keeping an eye on the severe weather system for both Victoria and South Australia. Force 13 also has its earthquake channel, continuous stream. The Bureau's total forecast of rain, the rainfall scale, right hand side of the screen. And note the area in green to dark green, particularly paying attention to South Australia. It looks like Melbourne is in for some further rain, even though I think the flood warnings are either finalised or still in force. The west coast of Tasmania, you're looking at 15-25 up to 50, but South Australia looking at 50 to 100 millimeters. We will continue to bring the latest on both the tropical and national weather scenes, and as manager of the AU channel, your support is much appreciated. And bye for now.